Yo, what up, you guys? It's your boy Loso, and right now we're wrapping this G35. I already did this whole side yesterday. Yesterday I did this whole side. Today's Wednesday. This car was already wrapped. I made kind of like a YouTube video, but I never really posted it. But here we are. I'm about 2 years in. There's another one over there. Heart attack season, boys. So we're gonna get this done. Basically, I'm gonna start recording the other side. This side's for Instagram. Usually I record all my reels for one side. Then I'm gonna start doing YouTube for the other side. Bumper for YouTube. Maybe half, record half the bumper doing it, whatever. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, this bumper's actually, this carbon fiber right now is pretty bad quality just because of more of the lighting's over there. But we're gonna get this done. Death house or roadhouse, something like that. What it is, we're gonna get this done. Have this taped up. Can't take the tail light off due to all the wiring and whatnot. That's all the way in there that I can't unplug. So we just have it like that. So we could wrap it in there. I just have it like this. So we could just wrap it in here or whatnot. I already did this side. As you can see, I already tucked in. So yeah, not a biggie. This is probably gonna take me like 45 minutes to do or so, since these are pretty easy. I did do some light sanding. Like I said, I told the guy I'm not a professional here, but it's pretty smooth, a little bumpy, but pretty smooth overall, better than what it was. Also here, this is actually pretty smooth, came out pretty clean. We're gonna have to clean it. There's still a little dust here, but we're not worrying about that. We're over here, already cleaned it. I didn't feel really anything. There's paint here that fell off, but we're not gonna deal with that right now. Yeah, let's get it going. Car is completed. This is how it looks. It used to be red. The car is running because I'm about to move it locations and we're gonna take videos somewhere else, but this is how it turned out. This color is actually insane. Like, he has a twin brother and they're both gonna get the same exact color. They don't have the same car, kinda. He does have a G35. I mean, this one's a G35, but he has a Q50. But they're both lined up, are gonna look insane. Look at this with all the trees or whatnot, Mother Nature. It looks pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. So right now we're gonna do a quick walk around the front bumper. If you guys don't know how to wrap these front bumpers are pretty complicated, you guys, pretty complicated. But, you know, nevertheless, whatever you say, came out pretty good. You know what I'm saying? If you guys wanna know how to wrap that, I made a video on Instagram of a light blue G35 that I showed you how to wrap this. I'll upload it as a short or something. I'll put this at the end of the video, whatever, to make it or whatever. I don't know. You'll find out. You guys make it happen. But yeah, man, this shit looks pretty damn sick. All right. With the Nismo's 370Z wheels, I believe. This guy has a carbon fiber steering wheel as well. Pretty sick. It did take about 5 days to wrap this. I just started on it a little bit later than usual this week. That's why it took a little bit more longer. The first time he wrapped it, it took about 3 days or so to get it done. Because I did two. Look, it looks chrome right here. It's insane. I'm pretty booked up right now, so I'm gonna keep making more videos of wrapping all these cars, showing you guys how these cars comes out. So if you guys want to stay tuned, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And then this is how this G35 came out. We're gonna do a lot more. Pretty booked up right now, and summer's about to go crazy. So a bunch of new colors already coming out. I have the suppliers, I have everything. Certified installer here. Let's get this shit done. Get your car wrapped. Here's my Instagram. You already know what to do.